Hello. I've been wondering about this return of premium life insurance. We see so much of that stuff on TV, and I was wondering if it's legitimate or is it a ripoff. I did a little research right here, and here are some of the questions that I tried to answer. So let me ask you about these. It seems that these return of premium life insurance companies, the premium is higher than a normal term insurance policy. For example, a 20-year-old might pay like $30 a month for this term life insurance. However, the return of premium life insurance policy might be $60 to $80 a month. So that's a lot more money. So think about over a period of time, that's a lot of money to be thousands of dollars. You think about a poor return on your investment. For example, the extra money you pay for these premiums might be better invested somewhere else. You might get like a 1% to 3% return, which is not a whole lot of money. And you might be able to invest that money somewhere else in the stock market, or even a certificate of deposit at your bank or somewhere like that, but probably get a lot better return somewhere else. There's no return on investment really, because you figure out you only get back the money that you invested, so you figure out the present value of that dollar into the future. These future value dollars are worth a lot less than they are today, so you might want to consider investing your money someplace else. You have a loss of flexibility. For example, if you cancel this policy early, there may be a penalty for that, and so you can lose money in that respect, and the return of premium clause right there would be invalidated, and you're not going to get your money back. So you might say, maybe pay this for 10, 15 years, and you cancel it, and all of a sudden they decide, oh, by the way, we're not going to refund your money to you. So you have all that money tied up out there that you have no control over. The insurance companies win. A lot of people might pass away before they can receive the return of premium on their policy, and so anyway, they might be better off just buying a standard term policy when there's no restrictions as far as cancellation or things like that. The insurance companies are taking your money and they're investing it somewhere else, and they're making a whole lot higher return on their investment than they're paying you. So in a way, it's like the banks do when you borrow money from them. They charge you an interest rate, and they are able to take your money and invest it somewhere else at a higher return. So I think overall you might want to consider what are the downsides of these investments, and so anyway, it's a good investment or not. You might just be better buying term insurance, and like you say, buy term insurance and invest your money somewhere else where you can get a better return on it.